In this video, you'll learn how to create digital business cards for your company more quickly using the Excel view, taking advantage of custom fields and team connectors. The basic fields of a digital profile include name, description, email, and phone number. But now you can also add your own custom company fields. For example, if you want the profile to include a WhatsApp number or an address, you can easily do so. Simply go to the company section and create the fields you need: text, link, or number. Once your fields are created, you can fill in each person's information directly from the Excel view. This way, every digital card will have complete and always up-to-date information. If you manage a team, the most practical way to work is by using team connectors. From here, you can create templates with common information and apply them to the entire team, or just to a specific group. In this example, we already have a template created with several connectors: an email, a catalog, and a corporate video. Now, we're going to add the WhatsApp connector using the custom field we just created. We select the WhatsApp connector, and in the phone field, instead of typing a number manually, we choose the WhatsApp variable. Automatically, each digital card will display the number assigned to each person in their base profile. Once the template is created, assign it to the profiles you want. You can create as many templates as you need and apply them in bulk. And if tomorrow you need to modify a piece of information or add a new connector, you just need to edit the template. This way, the information will automatically update on all cards that use that team connector. As easy as that. Create the custom fields you need. Fill in the information from the Excel view. And use team connectors to create templates and work much faster. Lead to Team, the digital card that adapts best to your team.